Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nidhi Bhasin mathematics classes. I had discussed skip counting in my previous videos. Today I am going to talk about patterns, which is in the continuation of skip counting. People are confused why they are not getting the numbers when they come in certain pattern. So let me clear those doubts today in this video. So let's get started. Look at this picture. In this picture, it's a rectangle in which I have given them 1, 2, 3, 4. I've drawn 4 lines in between, and they are in certain pattern. What is that pattern? One part is shaded, one is unshaded. Again, one part is shaded, one is unshaded. Then shaded. Then what will be the next part? It will be unshaded. So that means I got able to crack a rule that what this figure is following. So that means they have a rule, and what you have to do in a pattern, your first requirement is to crack that rule by which it is getting. I am taking these numbers now. They are again following one pattern. So you can see after 2 I am getting 4, and then 6, and then 8. Then what is the rule here? Let me start from number 2 and I will go to 4. So that means 2 I will not count. From next number onwards I will count. So how I will count? I will be taking 2 is my starting number. The next number is 3 and then 4. I got able to reach from 2 to 4 after raising 2 fingers. Then 4 to 6. I will check how I will go. 4 is in my mind. Then 5 and 6. That means again those 2 fingers have come up. That means plus 2. Now I will check this. Then again that next number is also following the same rule. Yes. After 6 what I will be doing? 6 is in my mind. 7, 8. So 8 is over here. So that means again plus 2. Now how I will find the next number? Again I will do plus 2. And how you will do that? 8 is in your mind. 9, 10. So those 2 finger rule will be applied and you will get your next answer as 10. I am taking this number once again, 3, 5, 7, 9. For 3, 5, 7, 9, how I will go from 3 to 5? Again I have to crack the rule. So let me do the addition first, because we can see that it is a increasing order. It is not a decreasing order. First we have to check whether it is a increasing order or decreasing order. This is an increasing order. So that means I have to move ahead from 3. So that means first I will check 3 is in my mind, 4 and 5. That means again 2 fingers and I am reaching to my next number. From 5 to 7, how I am going? 6, 7. That means my rule is confirmed and I have to add plus 2. Again from 7 to 9, what I am doing? 7 is in my mind, 8, 9. I am getting 9. So now you have to keep 9 in your mind and you have to find the next number. How will you do? 10, 11. So what will be the next answer? 11. Now I am taking this. First you see it is an increasing order or decreasing order. From 25 if I am going to 20, from 20 if I am going to 15, from 15 to 10, that the numbers are decreasing. I am going backwards in my counting. That means I have to subtract. When I am going in increasing order, that means I have to add. When I am going in decreasing order, that means I have to subtract. Now I will find out the rule for this. What will be the rule for this? From 25 I have to go to 20. I got to know that I am decreasing. So 25 is in my mind. I will raise my fingers and I will go to 20 and see how many fingers I have to raise. 25 is in my mind. We will do the reverse counting. 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. How many fingers I have raised? I have raised 1 thumb and 4 fingers. That means 5 number I am subtracting from it. And then I am getting my answer. That means minus 5 is the rule. To confirm it, we will check further for the next number. From 20, if I have to go to 15, what I will do? 9, 20 is in my mind. I will do the reverse counting. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. This is my answer. So that means again I am doing 5, and on the 5th finger I am getting my answer. From 15 to 10 I am going to check further. Again the reverse counting. 50 is in my mind. I will start from 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So this 5th one is giving my answer. So from 10, if I have to subtract minus 5, then how I will do? 10 is in my mind. 9, 8, 7, 6, and this thumb is giving me answer 5. So 5 is my answer. You have to check in increasing or decreasing order. In increasing we will be adding, in decreasing order we will be subtracting. Now see this part. From 5 I am going to 10, from 10 I am going to 15, from 15 I am going to 20. So it is a increasing order. There are two ways to look at this part. One is, you can see from 5 to 10 if I am going, it is plus 5. How? 5 is in my mind. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 is my next number. Or you can take it as a multiple of 5. This is a table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So there are two ways to do it. Any way you can do it, whichever way you find it easy. I am taking it as a plus 5 also. Now from 5, from 10, if I have to go to 15, how I will do? 10 is in my mind. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So this 15 will come here. So from 20, if I will add 5, how I will be doing? 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So I will write here 25. I hope you found this session useful. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, Nidhi Bhasin Mathematics Classes, and keep learning and keep sharing with others. Thank you.